how to get threads on Instagram. So there is two ways that you can do that. One of them is going to avatar icon right here, and you will see in your page right here there is like an ID for threads. So once you see the ID for threads, or you're gonna click just at the top right here, threads, and you're gonna see the invitation to open threads and download it if you still didn't download it. The second way is by just going to your Apple Store or going to Google Play if you're using Android, and we're gonna search for threads. Okay, and after we search for threads, you're gonna see right here the threads has been uploaded to Apple Store or Google Play, and you're gonna just click download and wait until it's downloaded, and you're gonna just link your account basically to your Instagram. As you can see right here, log in with your Instagram, and the followers will be transformed there if they are using currently threads or not. Your followers, even your profile information, whether it was the profile profile pic or username, or even the name, or even in the bio. So basically that wraps it up. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Lastly, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.